Roger that. I'm throwing the camera up here, see if I can't catch any action. Alright, I got it in neutral. Give her a whirl.
Just throw on your hazards, Bill.
They're on.
Copy.
After you leave this stop sign, realize there's going to be slack in the rope because I'm full brakes right now. Oh.
Little bungee action, I like.
Careful, my rope will snap.
I'm just going to kind of roll the stop sign, man, if there's no cars.
Slack.
Down this way, yes?
Sure.
Maxwell, not Augusta.
Yeah, the community. Once you go around the community center, that'll be Augusta.
Had to park my car for about 5 minutes. I had to go inside to use the phone.
Need for a workout on my steering wheel, bro.
Okay, we're slowing down. Take it easy on the slack here. Beauty, beauty. Go ahead and make that left turn, yo. Wonderful, wonderful.
Let's start braking, man. Maybe you'll slow me down enough where we can just coast around this.
My baby through that long esco. I was jumping like a maniac. But the owner came and pulled me off the floor.
And then stay to your right there. I think that's Augusta right there.
You said I really like your snaggletooth necklace. Your pants are groovy and your hair's okay. But then that car of yours is so uncool. Like, wow, I'm sorry, but we towed it away. Stop dragging mine. Stop dragging mine. Stop dragging my car around.
Alright. Sputtered the last mile coming into home.
Did you get it low on gas?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's pretty decent.
But I don't hear the fuel pump priming. It used to be kind of a noisy pump. Banged on the tank, nothing.
Now I'm at home, I'm watching Gilligan's Island. Guess it's time to trade my old car in for $20 in my '64 Plymouth. Maybe I could get a second-hand Schwinn. Look out the window, there's a tow truck in the driveway. I grab the driver.